Hey guys! This tutorial is made to show you how to use JPEGmini's resizing features. This feature is really useful for creators who are sharing their work on different platforms, whether it be for an online gallery or social media. We are going to start off by opening the JPEGmini Pro app and selecting the icon in the top right corner. Here you are going to see two options. The second option is where JPEGmini works its resizing magic. You must first select a folder where the resized files can be exported. Then you can add up to 5 resizing options using the Add Size button.
Note that these are copies and will not replace the original file. Next, select the drop-down menu to see your options. You can set the max width, max height, max long edge, and max short edge, or even create a custom size.
JPEGmini will then resize and optimize your images according to the measurements that were specified. The Instagram and Facebook presets are a new dynamic feature. This means they will be constantly updated along with the platform's requirements. After setting your resize features, be sure to select Apply. Now you are ready to run a batch of images through the app. When you do this, you see that the different sizes are now exported in the selected folder. I hope this helps. Comment with any questions or feedback. If you need more help with the custom size feature, we have a more detailed video coming soon.